Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. I have a tip for you if you have food cravings you're trying to overcome. How to do it with TAT. A lot of us have a whole bunch of childhood traumas. And when we're children, like when we're adults, we try and make ourselves feel better. And one of the ways that we can do that, most of us as children, is with food. A lot of us as children don't have access to alcohol or drugs, but we've got food around. We've got breakfast cereal and muffins and cookies and cake and ice cream and things that make us feel better for a little while. And not only do they taste good, but then if we eat enough of them, they put us into a sugar coma, and so we don't have to feel the horrors and sadnesses, loneliness, anger that we're feeling as children. So we get into a habit of, hey, I'm feeling a little stressed. Cookies. I like cookies. So whatever your thing is that has been a go-to for you, which could also be carbs, it could just be pasta. It could be, well, I heard about one friend of a friend who would buy a bag of cookies. By the time they got home, they would have eaten them all. They'd have to go back to the store to buy another bag of cookies. So whatever your thing is that you crave, every time you do TAT, just add in my craving for cookies or whatever your thing is. And do TAT about whatever you're doing it about, and eventually that, in my experience, will diminish. The other thing you can do is do the pose and have a chat with Candida, because Candida grows in our guts and Candida loves sugar and carbs. So you can have like a heart-to-heart with Candida while you're doing the TAT pose and say, hey, I know you love cookies. And all your millions of voices say to me, we love you and we love cookies. Feed us more cookies. But I'm going to be eating less cookies sometime soon, so that's just the way it is. And just having that kind of nice conversation will help reduce your feeling that the voice within saying eat cookies belongs to you. Part of it does, and then there's those millions or trillions of voices of Candida saying, we want our colony to grow. We love our clan. Eat more cookies. So you can identify that some of the drive to eat the cookies comes from what you did as a child, probably, to make yourself feel better, and some of it comes from the Candida. And the other thing is, when you do the part of TAT where you're doing a wow, I now blah blah, whatever you decide, you can do a statement like, wow, I don't crave cookies anymore, or whatever your thing is. And that will help too. So my recommendation is you do heal your childhood traumas with TAT, and as you're going through each event or type of trauma that you're healing, you add in there your craving for whatever it is. That's one of the cool things about TAT is you can have these really diverse things that you clear up at the same time. Okay, there you go. I hope this helps you. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.